to the online viewing on 309 Vicarage Road. This 2-bedroom mid-terrace property has off-road parking to the front. And then moving into the property, we've got the hallway as you enter, which then leads through to the open plan reception room, and then in turn to the breakfast kitchen. So here at the front, we've got a large double glazed bay window. And then an open plan lounge diner. And then into the inner lobby where we've got the staircase leading up to the first floor and a built-in understairs storage cupboard. And on into the kitchen, where we have double doors which lead through to the garden. Space here as well for breakfast table. Integrated eye-level oven, inset gas hob. And now up onto the first floor. On the landing here we have a window to the side providing natural light, and then 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. So starting with the main bedroom here at the front. Moving through to bedroom number 2. And from this room we have a window overlooking the rear aspect. On to the bathroom, where we have a shower cubicle in the corner with electric shower, low level WC, panel bath, and the pedestal wash basin. And then moving outside, we've got a flagged patio which leads down to the main lawned garden area. There's also a paved side area here as well. And then the garden leading down to where there is hard standing for a shed. And then that concludes the online viewing for the property. So if you would like some further information, please do give us a call, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.